we finally got our stickers for our boat, so our decals. So we're going to be putting them up. In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we install new graphics and then head up the coast, offshore and up the ICW towards Savannah, Georgia.
So we're going to leave this cushion here for the moment, just to give us an idea where the sign is actually going to be. Yep. But we're going to clean this whole area. Clean air and air.
I'm going to get your face in the shot too, baby, because it's not in the shot.
Why would you want my face in the shot?
Well, half of your head.
I'm not putting a decal on my face.
Peace! It's got to go right there. Mark one eyeball. Putting the halo on. Putting the halo on.
Measure where we want to put this, and then cut out the back part of the halo to match the A.
Give me the herbage. Razor blade could be sharper. So, what are we doing today, Captain Dave?
Today we're getting sticky with it. I'm going to put the decals on the bow. I hope. We're going to clean it up. About there?
Yeah.
Oops, like that.
Like so.
Cleat. How's that for height?
That's great for height.
Bottom edge isn't going to stick at all. It's going to have to be sliced off. I'm sure it was fine when they made the sign, but it's been sitting for a while and it's lost its adhesion on the edge.
It's an edger in there, right?
It's a squeegee, yeah.
Squeegee?
Yeah, I wrapped the squeegee in a paper towel so it's less harsh on the fabric of the decal.
It's a great idea.
And we just push the bubbles out. And we push the adhesive cleaner solution stuff out from behind the decal to allow the decal to stick. So it makes it slippery in behind so the bubbles push out easier. And then as you push it all out, you get adhesion of the decal.
All right, so let's untie. I'm going to go to the other side. And we're back. So, we're doing the other side now, and Dave's gonna choke us out with the brake clean stuff.
That's all I've really got for cleaner. Now I can clean while we're being waited. Did they get you?
Yeah.
Well, you'll be nice and clean now, and your brakes won't squeak.
Thanks. Put that spot right there. There you go. More stuff to spray to help the adhesion.
It helps it stick and it helps it move around so I can peel and unpeel and all that.
Yeah.
Much easier than just putting it on dry. And when you've got a backing this big, generally you would slit it to make it easier to get the decal off without stretching it.
It looks great. Now people will know who we are.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Go fix up the name on the stern.
And there that is. With the halo on the A. There we go.
Are we surfing it?
Yes.
All right, I'll back off a bit before I go forward. Clear of the ball so I can turn.
Clear of the ball. You're clear.
Thank you. Speed wheel's working. Supposed to be very clear today and just a chance of some squalls. And that looks a little squally up ahead of us. We got about 2 hours left to go, so we're probably heading to that point over there. And I don't think this is going to be too bad. Doesn't that sound like famous last words? Lisa's on dolphin watch, and I was a little late turning off the music and grabbing the camera, so I think I've missed the dolphins. There was a pod of them playing in the channel. Bummer. Meanwhile, I'll be on big ship watch because here comes one now.
It doesn't look too bad, but it's not all bright sunny skies. Looks like there's some rain in our future, so we're gonna head in a little bit. Maybe find a fuel dock and place to drop the hook for the night. Where is it?
It's there. I'll pick it up. Pick that up. Go ahead and pick it up. There it is. Yeah, so I found this little guy this morning when I went to move the bean bag. I'm a little excited because I don't know if he's poisonous or not. I'm not afraid of snakes per se, but when you don't know if something's poisonous, well, you just do your very best not to get bit. He's not all that big either, but you know what? And Dave's got the hook. Good job, babe. There you go. Over you go. We don't want any guests. Thank you. No, thank you. No, 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 no. Thank you. My hero. So what are we doing today, Captain Dave?
We are motoring up the swamp ICW in Georgia, fending off bugs, getting rid of snakes. You know, the usual.
This is what a Georgia swamp looks like. So those beanbag chairs, they're worth their weight in gold because we can use them to put them right here in the corner so that nothing can crawl up the sugar scoops like that snake did and was underneath the beanbag.
They got as far as the beanbag chair and that was it, instead of coming in our door and joining us inside the boat. Now we got to find out what kind of snake that was.
If anybody can tell us what kind of snake this is, well, we'd really like to know what our passenger was.
I wasn't concerned about the snake. I was concerned if it was venomous. That's my concern.
She wanted to know if it was safe to bite it.
What you doing, Captain?
We're going to try sailing.
Really?
Oh, great snake to try that.
Putting out the spinnaker? No, we're putting out the jib.
Putting out the jib. The wind's too all over the place. The spinnaker would be too hard to control.
That preventer on. Did it do anything for us?
Not really.
No?
There's just not enough wind to do anything.
Check this out. Where are we, Captain Dave?
We're up a creek. I'll have to put the name.
We're in the middle of nowhere. So if one of us goes missing?
We're in Georgia.
We're in Georgia, up a creek, and there is nothing and no one around.
I got a camera pointed at two boats.
Yeah, but
There's that Jefferson trawler over there, which is one that we looked at.
yeah, but the thing is there's no houses, there's no buildings, there's nothing around. We're also putting our beanbag chairs out because if we don't, I'm kind of concerned that, you know, we get some visitors in the morning like we did the other morning, a snake, but I'm more concerned about, you know, alligators getting up here because
What about Bahamian saltwater crocodiles?
Those are in the Bahamas, so that's not gonna happen.
We're not there.
Guys, we're not.
Almost time to go inside, make some popcorn, and edit some video.
Edit some video.
Yay, what an exciting life YouTubers have.
Woot!
It is a never-ending party. We motor for 10 hours?
10 hours.
Almost
To get where we're
shoaled
going.
because the
I'm cooking
markers aren't where they're
ribs.
supposed to be.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you want to talk about that?
No, not really.
We almost died.
Navionics, not always accurate. Yeah.
It was scary.
Apparently that 14 feet of water was 2.
It was not good, and we had to go back out because it got real scary really fast.
Which is why we're here.
It is amazing how fast things get bad. Don't underestimate how fast things go bad, because they can go bad just like that.
And then we fixed it. And here we are.
We fixed it. We're fine. We're fine.
We're fine.
Everybody's fine. It's fine. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
okay.